Want to make money online, even if you've got no skills or experience? I've got you. This is your first easy income stream, selling AI-generated digital art. You make it, upload it, and people buy it. I'll show you how to do it step by step. And at the end, I'll share a secret prompt hack that could make your art go viral. Stick with me, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to create, upload, and sell your first AI art product. Use free AI tools like Crayon, Playground AI, or Leonardo AI. Just type your idea and let the AI do the work. Redbubble lets you put your art on real products without printing, shipping, or handling anything. Just upload and boom, passive income. Want more people to actually buy your AI art? Try things like anime, aesthetic room, vaporwave, gaming characters, or cottagecore animals. Stuff people are already searching for. And always add words like 4K, HD, trending, or high quality to make your art super sharp. The more eye-catching and on-trend your design is, the more likely it is to stand out and sell. Let's recap. 1. You learned how to make art with AI using free tools like Crayon, Playground AI, or Leonardo AI 2. You learned to upload it and sell it online, all without spending any extra dollar. 3. You got samples of viral prompt hacks, which you can use or explore your own. Let us know if you'll like an in-depth tutorial on any of these. We love to hear from you and follow your journey. Let us know if you'll try this, and let's know how it goes.